Deco, Heyman ye exponential expressions simplify karna hai. Numerator our denominator dono mine 5 key powers hain, to hum common factors nickel car simplify karain ge. Pella denominator say shuru kart hain. Dono terms mine 5 to the power n common high, to factor out karo. 9 minus 4 equals 5, our 5 to the power n multiply 5 equals 5 to the power n plus 1. Ab numerator mine dect hain. 5 to the power n plus 1 dono terms mine common high. 5 to the power n plus 3 equals 5 to the power n plus 1 multiply 5 squared. Is lié hum 5 to the power n plus 1 factor out kart hain. Ab bracket k and r simplify karo. 5 squared equals 25, our 25 minus 6 equals 19. To numerator ban Gaia 5 to the power n plus 1 multiply 19. Ab simplified numerator our denominator co-fraction mine lika. Deco, 5 to the power n plus 1 per our niche dono jaga high. 5 to the power n plus 1 numerator our denominator mine cancel ho jata high. Surf 19 ray jata high. Mubarak ho, pori expression simplify ho car 19 ban gai. Notice karo k variable n completely cancel ho gaia to answer one constant number high. Ye exponent rules key power high.